You will find on the standards toolbar in gCADPlus a question mark option. That will jump you to a help file. Say, for the sake of argument, in a drawing such as this, you click on that curve there and see over here in the properties box that it's an arc. And then you click on this other curve and you can see it's also an arc, but the center point of the arcs are a little different, and you might want to change that, and you might want to learn more about the arc command. So if we click here, you can search, you can look at the contents, how to install, how to work with drawings, handling raster images and so on are all there. And there's an index, but you can search for arcs. So if we click list topic, up pops a list of topics in which the word arc is mentioned. And then if we click display, you'll get, you might want to go full screen at this point. I'll just move that down and give us a little bit more space. You can now read a lot more about the arc command. As we scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of options, and to draw an arc, you do this, that, or the other, some alternatives. So there's some help on individual commands and tasks within the gCADPlus environment by clicking on that. It's a Windows help file that will pop up when you click on that question mark option. It'll also come when you click on help and go down to contents, and it'll also pop up with the F1 function key that will pop up that help file. And from time to time in different releases of gCADPlus, we are adding to and editing that help file. So gradually we will improve it. You can also get help in the gCADPlus environment by clicking help and online help. What that will do will be to swing away from gCADPlus. It's still running in the background, and it will pop up the search box on the gCADPlus website. So you can type there, we're interested here in arc, so we can click the search, and that will give us a list of all the support pages on the website where the arc is mentioned. Now you can see there are a lot of them. If we want to edit an arc, we could actually have typed in arc and edit if we knew that was what we wanted to do, and that will refine our search and just give us a page where we talk about clever editing of arcs by simply dragging on control points and handles. And that's what we want to do in this drawing, because we want to make the center point of both those arcs the same so that the curve around the outside matches. A third option would be to go to youtube.com, and type in the YouTube search bar gCADPlus and arc, and then hit the enter key or that search button, and that will throw up a list of movies that we've made in which the arc command has been mentioned. This command produces a running total of a series of lines, polylines and arcs. So we're talking there about irrigation, piping and so on. It'll have some information on arcs. So that's a brief introduction to the way in which you can get help. Don't forget that in the gCADPlus user guide, which is available for download, that's fully indexed, and that will also have some information on how to use the arc command. So there's at least 4 different ways of getting help when you are working with gCADPlus.